Pictor is a medical digital camera that's used with dedicated optics modules intended to take images of the eye fundus, surface of the eye, ear canal, and tympanic membrane and skin. The image and video data is intended for documentation and consultation. There are two key ophthalmic modules, retinal for fundus imaging and anterior for external ophthalmic imaging. The modules attach to the imaging handset. The system connects into a cradle that synchronizes with your computer via a USB connection to upload and review the images. Let's go through the buttons and features of the device. There are 3 bayonet holes to physically connect the module. The optics release button slides to remove the module. The dual-action shutter takes the image. The left soft key is used to power the device on and off. Power off by holding the button for a few seconds. The right soft key is used to open the menu for device and image settings. There are 2 LED indicators. The left LED indicates green when the device is on. The right LED indicates blue when it is placed in the cradle and connected to a computer. The arrow keys adjust the settings when in the menu. The middle key is used to create a patient folder by pressing and holding. The system connector on the bottom of the handset connects into the cradle. The battery and the SD memory card are accessed through the snap-in cover. Note, it is important that the SD memory card is completely inserted, otherwise the device will not power on. There are 4 individual modules, each used for unique functions. For example, there is one module specifically for retinal imaging. The module is attached by placing it in front of the bayonet area of the device. 3 bayonet legs are placed in the holes, and the module is pressed firmly into the handset until it clicks into place. The module is released by sliding the release button that is located in the front of the device above the shutter button. Here, we can see the cradle, power, and USB cords. Pictor is both charged and connected to the computer using the cradle. The computer connection is a standard USB connector. Both cords connect beneath the cradle. Make sure they are firmly inserted into their respective connections. To place Pictor in the cradle, gently connect to the system connector. The device may be connected to the cradle with a module attached. When Pictor is not in use, it may be stored in the cradle. Storing the device in the cradle is not harmful for the battery because the battery is charged only when the charge drops below a certain limit.